Okay, hello folks, we're back. This next item we're going to look at here, believe it or not, it's an amp stand. And this is it right here. And it's made for guitar amplifiers, for guitar players and things like that. And that's mainly the main function of it, to hold up your amp. And a lot of guitar players, when they're basically made for combo amps. Although you can use it on guitar cabinets, that just speaker cabinets and stuff if you want to tilt them. But basically this is made for combo amps, where the speaker and the amplifier is in one unit, combo amplifier. And combo amplifiers usually look like this. It's just one unit, like that. It's just got the speaker and your guitar inputs, and that's a guitar amplifier. And this stand right here helps tilt this thing back like this, so you don't have to tilt it against the wall anymore and stuff like that. You can put it right next to you and use this amp stand. I'll show you how this works. Let's put this aside here and let's concentrate on this amp stand, which is what this whole video is about. So this amp stand is actually a stand that I actually saw at this one convention, at the NAMM show convention, and I thought it was a pretty nifty idea. So basically it's a pretty simple product. So as you can see, it stores pretty compact, and that's it. You can just put this in any case, in your guitar case and stuff like that. It's not very big at all. So let's unfold it. It's made out of plastic, like rubbery polyurethane plastic, so it won't break. And then it folds out into like a triangle. It almost looks like those roadside ready triangles. And it's got a little clip on the front here where you can lock the triangles in place. So basically it's, you fold it out, and then there's this little swivel clip on here, and it locks it in place. It's a pretty unique little idea. And it's made by a company called Standback. And it's for the back of your amp, usually, And that's what it's for. And it's used in conjunction with the back of these amps here. And I'll show you how that is in here. So once it's folded out, it's got these straps. They're like woven plastic straps, with woven material. And so they're real flexible, and you can take them out. And so it clips on. They're clipped on to here. These little clips on the bottom of this triangle that you open up. And it's got like a little stop piece here, this little block. This little tiny block here, and it's actually a block of like foam, hard pressed foam, which forms a little block, and that's what these straps are tied to. Now there's two red straps and a black strap, and I'll show you what these do. So basically you take this strap, the black strap. There's instructions when you get these stands, so they'll tell you what they are. And again, it's called a Standback amp stand. And it is available on the internet and at some music stores. So what you do is you basically swivel it in the clip here, and it's got two adjustments. This is a smaller amp, so I'm going to put it on this adjustment here. So as you can see, it's got two adjustments, two ring holes. So I'm going to put it on the smaller one, smaller adjustment. And then what you do, this is the way you do it. There, now it's ready to support your amp. So what you would do is you bring your amp over, and you just put it right in front of that block there, and then tilt it. And there it is. And that's how it works. As simple as that. And it's all tilted, ready to go. Let me show you what the front of the amp looks like, so you can see the actual tilt. Let me see if I can take this camera off without damaging anything. So we will look at the front of this, and that's the back there, as you can see. So it's a pretty clever design, pretty simple. In the front, as you can see, it tilts your amp forward, or back. So you can see how your amp is tilted right there. And the thing that's holding it is the amp stand. So it's a pretty cool little thing. The guy was really smart when he developed this. And you can put it in the back of any amp case, or or in your guitar case, or your gig bag. I mean, it will fit in there because it's so cool. Let's see. I'm going to put the camera back on here and see if we can show you how you fold it back up. So there's the camera back on there. Let's see how this thing folds back up. This is a pretty clever little thing, and it's not expensive at all. You know, it does take a little getting used to, but when you get used to it, it actually is really a cool little thing. So to remove it, all you gotta do is tilt the amp forward, and the little block comes out. See, the little block that goes underneath your amp there to hold this thing from sliding out. Undo the little swivel at the top, take it out, and then this comes out. Fold these things, and then you can just, what I do is I just like wrap these things around here, and there it is, and wrap this black part, and there it is, you're done. It's a pretty cool little stand. Let me open it back up so I can show you real quick. Let's open it back up and undo it. There's your little triangle, that. Put your little switch on here, put your little thing, lock it up, and you put this out again. Put it like that, put your amp in front of this, put your little strap on here. Actually, you would put your strap on first, huh? There, and you put your amp right where this little block is down here. Put your amp over that, and you're set. Okay, again, this is called it's an amp stand for the back of your amp. It's called a Standback amp stand. Look it up. Very easy to use, and definitely very affordable. Thanks a lot.